You know what's up? The temperature and the humidity. It's me, David. I'm going to just let you tag along on a executive course, nature walk nearby. Well, unfortunately, I hooked my dry, but I found it right here in the salad. You see, the good is I didn't lose it. The bad is it's tough here. Just gotta punch it out. How about that? Okay. From a par 4 into a par 5. Alright, here we are, hole 2, I don't know, 85 yards, whatever. Alright. Yeah. 10 high, alright. Alright, roll up there, ball. Roll. It's, yeah, it's rolling up there. It rolled too far. Watch the ball going down to the hole, I hope. Oh, that's just gonna go. They always do that. I always clobber them. Oh, see, I pull them. I always pull them at least an inch. And that's a bogey. A little ride. No bite. It's not gonna bite. Oh, slow down. Yep, bogey. Head down at least, huh? Not bad. Try to let it leak down there. Come on, ball. Okay. That's a par. I'll take it. Bad, I guess. Got a chance? No. No. Par. Yeah. Did go right. Yeah, I'm right by the flag, about 10 feet or less. You gotta really get into these shots. You just don't hit them. You gotta really get into it totally. Nice and easy, and it did break. It did break. Oh, I hit way right. not. Look, it's wet. Are you believing that? All that fairway and it's wet. Well, I found my ball over there by the water and I hit it backwards like this. You know, like this. And it came actually a little bit backwards, but it's out here. Get my head down, guys. I have no idea what it is. Oh. It's like 6 feet from the hole. Yeah. It's the best game you never see. You go right of the water, you know, something straight. Oh, I like that. It was right at the hole. Oh, yes, I needed that. Head down. Bite. Oh, slow down. They don't slow down. Oh, it did miss. It missed. It did miss on the bottom side. It was over here and it went like that. Oh well. I kept my head down a little left. Yeah, it's short of the green. It's nice soft grass. Get up there about almost halfway. Oh, my aim is off, but it's a good shot. Got another one of those half-two putts. Well, I parred the little par 3 over the water. I don't know if I turned the camera on. Yeah, I swung nicely to the right. Well, that's about the best I can hope for. Well, I didn't play a provisional, so I gotta redo the shot. Went out of bounds. See, they're screaming over there. Oh, no, those are somebody else. Anyway, I'm using the same club, and hopefully I will stay away from the right side. That's dangerous. Let's go to the left side. Not so high. Yeah, good. Right up there at the flag. I hope. Oh, yeah. Right by the flag. Yeah, I forgot to turn it on for the drive. I hit a beautiful drive on this par 4. Anyway, so here's the chip up. I hope I can do a good job. You know, they do bounce and roll today. A little 9-iron would be good. About 20 feet in front, maybe. That was too far. Never know. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Okay, that's a par. I got a 5. I hope it gets there. I just don't want to get wet. Might go a little long, I don't know. Just a hair. Alright, here we go. Okay, I hit it pretty good. Don't go too far now. Sit down. Pin high, a little left. That might work. It's been a lot of fun. It's been challenging. The greens are pretty good. So is the course. But I got to put this in for birdie, and that would be fantastic. I'm only 2 or 3 over right now. It's about 14 feet. I'd like to make it. 14 feet, I got it. Oh, it didn't go up. Slow down. Man, it slowed down. That's a par. Good enough. That leaves me, what, 3 over for the day, I believe. It's not bad. Thanks for coming along.